Hi, little artists! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're going to draw a super fun and colorful house using just shapes.
Yay!
Are you ready? Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Let's go grab our black marker and get started. Let's start with the roof of our house. First, draw a triangle on the left side. Now draw a rectangle right next to it. This completes the roof shape. Now from the roof, let's draw 3 straight vertical lines going down. Then draw a long horizontal line at the bottom to connect them. Now let's add a door in the front. Draw a tall rectangle in the middle part of the wall. Let's add a cute window next to the door. Draw a rectangle with a line in the middle. Then add a little wavy shade on top. What a cozy house! Now draw a long rectangle below the house. And here comes the cutest part. Draw a little heart shape on the triangle part of the roof. Ah, this house is full of love. Nice job, everyone. Now take your black marker again and trace over the lines to make the outline bold and sharp. This will make your artwork pop out beautifully. Awesome! Isn't it?
Yay!
Now it's time to color. And guess what? We're using rainbow colors today. Let's name them together while we color. Red color.
Wow!
Orange color.
La 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 la. Beep 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 beep.
Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color. Pink color.
La da 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 dee.
Well done, little artists! You just created a beautiful rainbow house using shapes. Be proud of yourself and don't forget to show your artwork to your family. Hi, little artists! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're drawing an awesome level 3 house. Super fun and easy to do. So grab your black marker and paper and let's jump right in. Let's start with the first floor. Draw a large rectangle at the bottom of the page. This will be the base of our house. Now, let's draw the second floor. Right above the first floor, draw another rectangle, but make it slightly smaller. Next, let's add the third floor. Draw one more rectangle on top, even smaller than the second floor. Amazing! Let's make it fancy. Draw a small rectangle attached to the side of the third floor for a cute little balcony. Then add vertical lines for the railing. Add a door to the first floor in the center. Draw 2 vertical rectangles with a line in between and small circles for handles. On either side of the door, draw 2 square windows. For the second floor, draw 2 windows, one on each side. And finally, add one last window on the third floor. Next, draw 2 plant pots on either side of the house. Add some wavy lines or zigzags for the leaves to make them look lively. Great job! Now, make the outlines bold and sharp using your black marker to make the drawing pop. Doesn't it look amazing?
Yay!
Now it's time to color our house with bright rainbow colors. Grab your color pens, and here are the colors we'll use. Red color. Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color. Pink color. Awesome work, friends! Your level 3 house looks fantastic. Don't forget to share your masterpiece with your friends and family. Hey, little artist! Are you ready to draw something super fun? Today, we are drawing a cute umbrella. Let's begin by drawing the top part of our umbrella. Start Start with a big curved line, just like a rainbow. Now, add more curved lines to make the umbrella look real and strong. Now, let's draw the umbrella's handle. Draw a long, straight line coming down from the middle of the umbrella. At the end, curve it into a little hook shape. This is where we hold the umbrella. Great job, everyone! Now, let's make our drawing pop by making the outline bold and sharp. Trace over your lines with your marker to make them stand out. Wow! You did fantastic!
Yay!
It's coloring time. Let's use bright rainbow colors to make our umbrella look amazing. Red color.
Wow!
Orange color.
La 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 la. Beep 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 beep.
Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color. Wow! Doesn't it look beautiful? You did an awesome job today. Your umbrella looks colorful and super cute. Hi friends! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're going to draw something super fun and adorable, a cute bunny mug. Grab your black marker and let's get started. First, let's draw the mud. Start with a rectangle, but make sure the corners at the bottom are nice and round. This will make our mug look soft and cute. On the side of the mug, draw a big D shape to create the handle. Perfect! Now it really looks like a mug. Let's add two long, cute bunny ears on top of the mug. Make them tall and a little rounded at the tips. Now, let's give our bunny a cute face. Draw two big, round eyes.
La da 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 dee.
A little heart-shaped nose, and a tiny mouth below it. So adorable! Let's make our drawing even cuter by adding some small hearts around the mug. You can draw as many as you like. This bunny loves love. Now, take your black marker and go over all the lines to make the drawing bold and sharp. Look, our cute bunny mug is ready, and it's so happy, it looks like it's dancing.
Yay!
Now it's time to add some color. Let's use these colors and make our bunny mug look amazing. Pink color for the nose and small hearts.
Wow!
Blue color for the inner part of the ears. Red color for mouth. Light pink color for the rest of the mug.
La 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 la. Beep 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 beep.
Yellow color for outer parts of the ears. Wow! Look at that! You've made the cutest bunny mug ever! You did such an amazing job, friends! Don't forget to share your beautiful drawing with your family and friends. Thanks for drawing with me today on Toddlers Art Hub. See you next time! Bye-bye!
Yay!
Don't forget to like and subscribe! See you in the next video.